Today is the 9th day of March, and I have already made $50 from off of Amazon Associates. A lot of people underestimate the amount of money that you can make from Amazon Associates. Last year, I made over $1,000 being an Amazon Associates member. And today I'm going to show you how to make money from off of Amazon, not only as an associate, but also with the Amazon influencer. So I'm going to show you the difference between Amazon Associates and Amazon influencer and how you can sign up for both of these ones and start to make money right now. So if this is something you like to learn, let's go into my computer. All right, so the first place we're going to go is Amazon Associates. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google and we're going to type Amazon Associates. And the first thing you see on there, you click on it. And it's going to bring you in here to Amazon Associates. And you click sign up. Now you can sign up with your already existing Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, go ahead and sign up with your details, your email address, your password, and all of that. Now, once you have signed up, you're going to put in your social media handle or your website, because these are the things that Amazon looks at, right, to give you, to approve you for the Amazon Associates. Now, if you do not have a lot of engagement on your social media platforms, it will be wise to use a website. Now, the easiest way to create a website is to go to beacons.ai. Now, Beacons allows you to create a landing page for free. And the best thing about that is that you can list some products there. So it kind of gives the people on the side of Amazon something to look at, okay? So you go in there to beacons.ai over here. All right, and you click sign up. Now, Beacons has different pricing methods. Now, they have the free, the creator, they have the free one. The free one is right here. All right, but that is minimal. So the best one for you to sign up for will be this one. That is $10 a month. All right, so when you sign up for Creator Pro at $10 a month, you would be able to create your landing page and of course your website. And so as you sign up for your Amazon Associates, you put the link to your landing page from over here, right? You put it into the Amazon Associates. And when Amazon looks at it, they see that, okay, this is the platform where you want to sell your items. Then they can approve it. In another video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create the landing page using beacons.ai, but it's generally always simple. Now, to create your own landing page for beacons.ai, go into the link in the description box and click the link there where you can create your own landing page, and you're going to get $20 off free to start your own landing page and to start to earn money today. Now, after you've created your landing page, if you're someone that has kind of like engagement, some form of engagement on your social media platform, you can use your social media handle, okay, to register for Amazon Associates. All right. So you use your social media handle, you put your handle, maybe your YouTube handle or your Instagram handle. And usually Amazon does not care about your follower count. They would most likely approve you once they see any form of engagement, okay, on your profile. All right. So after you have signed up, you go to Amazon and you sign in with the normal email that you used to sign up for the Amazon Associates. As for me, it's my regular Amazon account. Okay. So if you have an existing Amazon account, you do that. Now, after you've signed up for Amazon Associates, you get an email that asks you to activate SiteStripe. Now, this is SiteStripe over here at the top here, and I'm going to show you what SiteStripe does, right? So for example, if I want to sell this computer table and I click on it, you can see that it's $99. Now, it always helps if you are selling something that you've already used, something that you purchased from off of Amazon, something that you trust. Okay, it's easier that way. So I have this desk, right, and I want to promote it. Now, it will help if I have it so that I can show people how I'm using it and how it has made life easy for me. Okay, so I purchase it, right, and I've used it. I've seen that I like it. So what I want to do now is I'm going to click on it. All right. So after you've clicked on it, you can see, check the ratings, make sure it's good, you've purchased it and all of that. You're going to come over here to the top here on SiteStripe and you're going to click on Get Link. Okay, now this link that Amazon has given to you is what you're going to copy. You're going to copy this link, and on the review of this desk on whatever platform, if it's your Instagram or YouTube or whatever, you're going to paste the link there. Now, whenever anyone clicks on that link to purchase this item, if they purchase the item, you get a percentage from it. And look, the commission rate from this is 3%. So that means if somebody purchases this, you're probably getting like $2.99 from each purchase, right? So if 10 people purchases it, do the math. If 100 people purchase it, do the math. So you want to make sure your review is authentic, all right, such that when people see it, they want to purchase it, right? So you get 3%. Now, the best part about this is if I click on your link and I purchase any other thing on Amazon, let's say I purchase this and I purchase any other thing, maybe I purchase 10 other items, you also get a percentage from every single thing I buy, right? From that checkout within 48 hours, I think. Yeah, within 48 hours. So it's important to know this as well. So whatever they buy within the 48 hours after clicking on your link, you get a percentage for it. All right. So now let's go to Amazon Influencer. I don't know. A lot of people don't know that there is something that exists as Amazon Influencer. So just like we did the Amazon Associate, you're going to go into Google and you're going to type Amazon Influencer. And after you've typed Amazon Influencer and you get in there, it's going to ask you to sign up. Usually, if you have been approved for Amazon Associates, it's always an automatic method to get into Amazon Influencer. So this is how Amazon Influencer looks like. After you have created your Amazon Influencer, you get a landing page, right? You create a landing page for all the items that you've used. Now, this is what the Amazon Influencer is. You can create content, right? For example, I created a content about this door lock that I bought so that my kids will not go out of the house. And I think I have made over $100 just from this video. Anyone that clicks on the product from this video, whether you sent them the link or not, they get to purchase it. You know that Amazon now has a tab within the Amazon app, right, where you see videos like that. So that is what Amazon Influencer is. I also created this one. And you see it automatically puts the link there and you earn commission from it. Okay. And so just everything you use, every basic item you use, every single thing you purchase from off of Amazon, create a video about it. You can see create now. When you click on create now, right, it will take you the title, the captions, and then you add posts, a video, something. You understand? You create a video and you upload it to it, and everything just goes like that. So it's like an automatic passive way to make money from off of Amazon. Now, I hope this video has helped you to differentiate between Amazon Influencer and Amazon Associate, and I hope it has kind of given you a base of how you can earn money from both platforms, right, at the same time. If you found this video helpful, kindly hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to earn money as a mom, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day. My name is thetobyrich. Ciao, ciao.